The next generation of comfort control has arrived. Introducing the new TL Series Zone Controller from Totaline. The controller mounts easily in any vertical or horizontal position. Easy-to-read labels and screwless push-in terminals make wiring simple. The TL Series Zone Controller features a large digital display. The intuitive, step-by-step menu guides the technician through the setup process. Bright LEDs indicate incoming calls from zone thermostats, calls going out to the equipment, and damper positions for each zone. The backlit LCD display shows the system operating status. The clear acrylic cover allows quick viewing of LEDs and display without being removed. Damper motors and static pressure controllers also have indicator lights to show damper positions. Onboard features include constant supply air temperature monitoring, adjustable high and low temp limit control, intelligent smart staging, automatic heat-cool changeover, selectable Zone 1 priority, economizer and outside air options, exclusive equipment startup mode, plus many more options for setting up each specific application. The TL Series is compatible with most brands of HVAC equipment and works with any 5-wire thermostat. The new TL Series Zone Controller from Totaline.